Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Notion offline. Like for example, first, let's just say you have a sudden flight or you have a travel and your boss needed you. All I can recommend is if open a specific page onto your web browser, which is in online, and don't close it when you travel. Like for example, we turned off our internet connection or our data. It'll automatically be able for us to edit this. We can still edit this, but we can embed a specific video since we need an internet connection or data connection to add a specific embedding. We can still edit the specific things on to our page offline, even if we don't have internet connections. Just don't close the web browser on and the files you have open onto your files. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.